Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Vercel domain name so you can give your project a professional URL or switch to a custom brand in 2026. Let's get into it. First, navigate to the domain dashboard. The first step is locating the specific networking settings for your deployment within the Vercel project interface. Open your Vercel dashboard, select your project, and from the left sidebar, look for and select the Domains tab. In 2026, Vercel's project architecture separates your build settings from your public-facing identity. The Domains tab is the command center where you can manage every URL associated with your production and preview environments in one place. Next, add your custom domain. Once you are in the domain management area, you need to tell Vercel which specific web address you want to link to your code. You will select Add Existing from the options. Enter your domain name, like yourbrand.com, into the input field and click Add. This is the identity phase. By selecting Add Existing, you are alerting Vercel's Edge network that you already own this domain and want to point it to your Vercel-hosted project, triggering the platform to generate your SSL certificate automatically. And lastly, link the domain to your project. The final step is confirming which deployment the domain should point to and verifying your ownership. In the next window, ensure your project is correctly selected in the drop-down menu. Follow the on-screen prompts to update your DNS records, A record or CNAME, at your domain registrar until the status in Vercel turns to a green, valid configuration. In 2026, linking the domain to the project is what actually goes live. Once Vercel detects the correct DNS settings, it instantly routes all incoming traffic from that domain to your latest project build, providing a seamless transition for your users. And that's pretty much it. To change your domain in 2026, go to the Domains tab in the left sidebar of your project settings, select Add Existing, and enter your domain. Once you select your project and verify your DNS records, your new URL will be live and fully secured with HTTPS. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.